Your wallet will thank you for this. Do you know what you actually pay every month? Can you name every subscription right now? When did you last check your bank statement? How many things are you paying for that you forgot? Be honest with yourself. The average person loses $4,000 a year. That money just disappears into forgotten subscriptions. Gym memberships you never use, apps you downloaded once, streaming services you forgot existed. It adds up fast, and nobody tells you until it is too late. Life Admin fixes this in seconds. You add every bill in one place, every subscription tracked automatically. It shows you exactly what leaves your account. You see everything on one simple screen. Nothing hides from you anymore. Set reminders so nothing surprises you again. Cancel what you do not need. No more paper notes scattered everywhere. No more spreadsheets that stress you out. No more forgetting what you signed up for. Just open your phone and breathe. Everything is right there waiting for you. Peace of mind in your pocket. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. Life Admin is free on the App Store. Download it today and take control back. Your future self will thank you for this. To do it.